Do you believe that extracurricular activities such as sports, arts, and music are essential for students? Why or why not? Discuss the impact of such activities on a student's academics and personal growth.
I strongly believe that extracurricular activities such as sports, arts, and music are essential for students. While academic subjects are important, they only cover one part of a student's development. Activities outside the classroom provide opportunities to learn practical life skills that textbooks cannot teach. For example, playing sports helps students develop teamwork, leadership, and discipline. Similarly, participating in arts or music allows them to express their creativity, improve focus, and build emotional resilience. These activities also have a positive impact on academics. Students who engage in extracurriculars often become better at managing their time and staying organized, which leads to improved academic performance. In addition, taking part in something they enjoy reduces stress and refreshes their mind, allowing them to return to their studies with more energy and clarity. From a personal growth perspective, extracurricular activities help students build confidence, discover their interests, and develop social skills by interacting with different people. They learn how to communicate, handle challenges, and work towards long-term goals. Overall, I believe these activities play a crucial role in shaping a well-rounded personality and preparing students for future success in both their professional and personal lives.